Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Syed Shirasha and that's the VW Golf GTI. I call it the headlight review or the headlight video. However, I would not only show you the headlights, I will show you every bit of the illumination. So I'll show you the car from outside, okay, and then of course I'll take it to my usual spot where I'll drive for a bit, and that will give you an idea how it would appear from the inside, all right, while driving. And so first off, let me unlock the car, and isn't that lovely? And that's the puddle lamp that says GTI. Okay, I'll start the car and then show it to you again from the outside quickly. Ah, that sound. Front, rear. Okay, now you can see the fog lamps as well. And as is the norm with the Germans, just one single fog lamp at the rear. Okay. Once again, looks beautiful, right? Now let's drive. Alright, so I am at the usual spot, okay, where I do all the headlight videos, and I'll now start the car, okay, and you'll see the headlights dance. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, at this point I'll show you the cabin lights as well, okay. I hope you can see that. And yeah, everything, every switch, knob, everything is illuminated. And okay, so let me switch the fogs on as well. Fogs on. Brilliant headlights, brilliant. Okay, now let's drive. And of course this car has active headlights, okay. I hope you'll be able to notice. See, okay, you can see the movement of the headlights, right? Even at minute steering movements, you can see the headlights moving. Brilliant, brilliant. By the way, this would happen only if you have chosen to let the headlights remain in auto mode, okay. It would not happen if you choose the manual mode, okay. See, okay, now the headlights are fixed, okay. They are moving with the car, okay. See the difference, auto, and see, now you can see the difference, right? See, you can see the difference. Brilliant headlights. I love these headlights. See, Lovely. Lovely. I'm sure you're able to see the headlights movement. Brilliant headlights, man. Thank you. Look at that. Let's keep it on auto for some time. Okay, now the headlights. Okay, so here, of course, it's on auto. I was talking about the adaptive part of it. Okay, so that A is for adaptive. You can also call it, the auto mode, wherein it will switch over to the high beam. Okay, and of course it will choose between the low beam and the high beam as it deems fit. And of course it would try to light up that part which it thinks needs illumination. Let's see. Here ideally, yes. See, I hope you caught that. The camera caught it. Ideally it should have kept the high beam on here. Let's see. I'm sure yes, it is working its magic. Here I'm sure it would. Yes. It did. It has automatically gone to the high beam, and it is keeping the high beam on right now. Lovely, lovely. It has switched to low beam automatically, of course. It should ideally move to high beam. Yes, it did. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Generally, with adaptive / auto, in fact, we would actually use the correct term, which is adaptive headlights. In India, you will have to take charge in your own hands, but this, I would say, surprisingly, has been the best yet as far as switching over to low beam and high beam like you would want it. So full marks to VW for this. Absolutely full marks. See, it is lighting up, okay, what it thinks needs lighting up. I'll quickly show you the rear camera as well. Okay, and it doesn't make much of a difference. I'm switching on the fog and switch off fog, switch on fog, switch off. Alright, it should have had a 360-degree camera. Alright, now let me take charge just for a few more seconds. And yeah guys, so I hope you got a good idea about the VW Golf GTI's headlights. These are a brilliant set. Okay, I would say that this is on par or even better. This is certainly better than most headlights you get in cars, okay, costing 70-80 lakh rupees. Yes, these headlights are better. Okay, and yeah, great job VW, great job. So I hope guys you liked the video, and do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.